Corruption of blood? A defunct doctrine now considered unconstitutional, under which a person loses the ability to inherit or pass property as the result of an attainder or being declared civilly dead. Also termed corruption of the blood, see attainder, civil death. Yes. Corruption of blood is when anyone is attainted of felony or treason, then his blood is said to be corrupt, by means whereof neither his children nor any of his blood can be heirs to him, or to any other ancestor, for that they ought to claim by him. And if you were a noble or gentleman before, he and all his children were made thereby ignoble and ungentle. But you actually can. You're enforcing the corruption of blood, aren't you? See, the use of your mental health evaluations, yes. Section 15, you convicted me of being incompetent. Yes. Twice the court issued judgments of incompetence. Right. Once for the arrest took place on September 24th. Yeah. Well, you put me in jail for 27 days. Right. Because I wanted notice of the state of jurisdiction requiring me to appear in court for an undocketed court hearing. Yes. Now, I know Judge Porter's going to say, well, whenever we say you have to be in court, you have to be in court. Yes. But I never have to be in court unless I have a next appearance date. Oh. See, you discussed my case when I wanted to reschedule my mental health evaluation. Yes. Because of blood nausea. It was an undocumented court date. I did appear in court every time I had been in court. Yes. Because you gave me notice at the next appearance date. But when you discussed my case without me being present in court, yes, we could have talked about it on the 27th. Yeah, we could have. But you decided that you would talk about my case, yes, on a court date that I was not required by law to appear at. And then you wanted me to just appear in court because it was an undocketed court date where there was no notice requiring me to have to appear in court. See, there's some abuse of power in this. Where you arraigned me, yes, I was on personal recognizance, yes, he was, and that every time I appeared in court, you gave me notice of the next court date, yes. See, this is notice of the next court date, right, 15th of March, 2016, 9 o'clock, yes. Defendant shall appear and as further ordered by the court, yes. Now, you can't arbitrarily decide you're going to order something too judicial. You can't. That'd be like telling any person that's named as a defendant in any court case, yes, I just want you to appear in court whenever I say. Yes. It doesn't matter if you have a notice from the state of jurisdiction. Yes. It's some sort of idea, yes, that the individual's time is of no value. Yeah. And you'll order them to be in court.